Hello, welcome to VW Life, and today we've got a parts run we're gonna do.
Yes, Matt Jackson. This is a mystery run. A fella named Alex just contacted me and says, hey, I got some stuff. Well, I said, okay. So I think what's gonna happen to us is he's gonna take us down there and chop us up in little pieces and stick us in his freezer.
Okay, so we're either gonna die or we're gonna come back with a bunch of Volkswagen parts, and you're coming with us.
Hey guys, and I leave y'all. I'm gonna run really fast.
I'm gonna Jews outrun y'all.
Let's see what happens. Join us today, everybody, on today's episode of VW Live.
It's been about an hour, and we're at our location.
Well, this is what you call a wild goose chase, Matt Jackson.
Ooh, there's a freaking Volkswagen right there.
Super nice looking one.
You think
It's got slotted wheels, right?
No, it's got
Look at that.
it's got overriders. It's a 67.
You wanna get a, what do you call it, engine stand?
Yeah?
I mean, you tell me what you want and give me an offer, and I mean, look it all over.
Holy cow.
And then there's this thing too.
Oh, a pan, huh?
It's set up for airbags,
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I see it.
and I mean, it's in great shape. There's no rust through it, nothing. I mean,
What
got
year
brand
was
new
it?
cans. Selling for sale. It is.
Woo, Matt Jackson.
I'm gone.
Oh, you already sold it? That's
Tell you
all.
something. Everything on that gray thing right there
Keep.
does not go.
Okay.
That's the
And
key
all
pop.
this stuff in here does not go because that's for my car, my 67. So everything, like here, from here, all the way to that gray. little
All this on the
cart.
ground.
Yeah, up to the little gray cart. And if you,
Yeah.
I'm gonna build this one up. It's clean. It's just
Ooh, nice. Yeah, you can
Oh, it's magical.
that is cool.
This is a pretty neat old shit, huh?
I'm thinking this is a.
That's what you need right here.
Yeah, that's your muffler that's not broke.
And it looks like it's a bus one too.
Oh, yeah, because that's you put on the front back side.
More because it's more straight. I think the bus bugs one. Get it back a little bit more.
Dual relief.
Does the Type 3 have the?
there's a couple running boards.
One of those crates, AJ, if you don't
sir.
mind.
Yes, sir.
And then we'll just crate everything up.
Pops.
Got some fuel pumps, pulleys, a jack.
We're doing our best, Alex, to clear you out, buddy.
Hey, like I said, give me a price, take it off.
And we'll just take everything.
Okay, take it off.
Yeah.
All right, well, Alex,
You're
we.
gonna take the pan too?
All right, Alex, we made the deal.
All right.
We're gonna help you move.
Yeah, we're just this way. We're getting stuff out of here for him.
Yeah, we should just back the trailer
Yeah,
up.
I guess I have Jake back the trailer up.
The 3 cases of beer. Look, you buy the paint. I said, fine. The paint out over.
All right, well, we're gonna put the old grandpa's trailer to use.
Okay, I'll help you lift it down, Tommy. Not bad.
Can you show us your belt?
Oh, my belt is a bungee with a hole in it. My jacket's a little too big, but it was free, so I'm not complaining. So I just put a bungee on it.
We got a van full of parts,
Van and a trailer full of parts, Matt Jackson.
and we need to get a pan on here.
Yeah, now we're gonna go get a pan. Oh yeah.
All right, 1, 2, 3.
All All right, Alex is giving us a tour of the property. He just sold it, and that's why he's trying to get rid of all this stuff. And Jake, what did you find? What is this? It's got some exhaust system going on. What is this?
Some sort of mill.
It's been here forever.
Old horse barn.
Yeah, this probably has a real. This is an old barn, isn't it?
Yep.
All right, well, Texas Junk Kings are back at it. Now we're getting some lawnmowers. So now this has gone from VW Life to Texas Junk Kings.
Just like that, Matt Jackson.
It's the big one, Elizabeth. It's the big one.
I'm coming, Elizabeth.
Yeah, that's usually what they say. It's the song you hear when we see us coming.
You ever look around and wonder, what have I done?
Well, I think that all the time, Matt Jackson. This is, I have a problem. I have a serious problem. I think y'all need to do an intervention. I'm going to do an intervention on myself.
Well, the first step to beating a problem is admitting you have a problem.
Well, yeah, we got a problem. There's no question about that. We got some lawnmowers, wheelbarrow, swamp cooler.
All right, we got the pan moved over there. Some of this stuff is not really valuable to us or actually has much value, so we're gonna be tossing out some of these used parts that, you know, like an old crank.
You know what these people should do if they like what they see?
This is
What?
They should hit that like button.
Oh,
Leave a comment about the Volkswagen crap they have, because we all have the crap. And subscribe.
yeah,
I can't say crap, can I?
you can say crap.
Okay.
Yeah,
But
leave
did
it-
you show him my mag light, Matt Jackson?
Nice. That's for beating people. Yeah, I mean, we got some wheels, intake, manifolds, 4 or 5 cases. This gearbox looks in decent condition too. We got a jack. We got the engine start stand, the pan.
Bucks for it, yeah.
So, and then we've got all the small stuff back here.
So you're keeping these?
We got some hubcaps, carburetors.
Hey, this is a public service announcement for the folks at VW Life. Change your fuel hose.
I think one of the best scores was the swamp cooler. This is really going to be good to have in the summer. We turned it on, it works great. So it says like radios and pedal assemblies.
LG thermostat.
So we got a thermostat.
It's in really good condition.
It looks brand new. They welded on a 13 to get to what, do you think?
I don't know.
Got a horn.
Horn grills.
Ding, 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 ding,
Seal
ding.
cab. Woo.
Wow, look what you found.
Yeah, that's a good little find. Oh, look at that.
Oh,
Pair of them.
It's early. Look how curved it is.
Yeah, it is.
Because these are more straight.
And ceiling, look here,
Yeah.
might be, yeah. I was going to say Slinger X, what's the red, but
With it curved like that.
look, the gates are a little wore out.
Did you even notice that when we were picking all that up?
Did anybody notice this, Martin?
No, we just realized what we have here. I had to show you guys what we found.
Oh, it's just out of shape. Bummer. But yeah, this is what it is, Matt Jackson.
It's the gate
Gate latch.
latch. So you
Keeps
can,
the gate up and down. And since it's a single, or Volkswagens are all drop gate, so you can have a flat bed by putting all 3 sides down.
and this one actually has part of the gate remaining on there. It just broke off.
That's my future over here, Matt Jackson.
Yeah, you got a little bit of rust, but that's a really cool score. Well, that's it, Gary. We went through them all.
There is?
Yeah, some good ones in there. That was 94.
91,
Yeah, good. This one was
94.
94.
Where'd he go?
It's a bunch of stuff.
It's a bunch of stuff. It's a bunch of stuff that someone can use. You might not be able to use it, but we'll find a home for it, right?
That's the key, because this stuff was going to the dump.
That's right. He's got to be moved out this week.
Yeah.
So we saved this.
So we saved this. Think
We
of all
did.
this. All right, first of all, I just want to say thank you, Jake Garrison. Thank you, Tommy B. And thank you, Matt Jackson, for y'all's assistance today and help. It was fun.
Yeah.
Another adventure
Another adventure.
where, boy, did we get some good stuff, huh?
We saved some parts. That's the main thing. And we got to meet with our friend Alex.
Yes.
So that's good.
It was good to see Alex.
Who we ended up knowing.
Yeah, it was good to see him, and he's downsizing tremendously from a beautiful 24 acres to suburbia. So there's some pretty good stuff in here. I mean, you know,
Oh, there's certainly some cool stuff.
yeah,
Yeah.
a couple of 36 horses.
Pan.
We got
And,
a swamp cooler for
we-
like heating.
Yeah, we got a swamp cooler. So when you see us in the summer working on the HB21, we'll be all like, we'll probably be wearing jackets.
Yeah.
Thanks for joining us, and hit that like button and subscribe. And
Yes, make sure you tell your aunts, tell your uncles, tell everybody you know about VW Life, because hey, we do this for you guys, the VW community. This is what it's all about. Go out and do stuff. There's VW junk in your area. You just gotta find it.
sniff it out.
It is. Thanks everybody for joining us today.